few more breaking updates now coming in. At Jantar Mantar today, the Aam Aadmi Party's top leadership, led by Arvind Kejriwal, was leading a protest against the demolition drive in the capital. And while addressing the gathering from the stage, top Aam Aadmi Party leader Gopal Rai, who was sitting next to Arvind Kejriwal, made a comment that the BJP says reflects the party's anarchist mindset. Gopal Rai said, and I quote, that if the land of poor people is captured, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders will enter the Prime Minister's house and do kabza. He also said, and I quote, अगर गरीबों की झुग्गी उजड़ेगी तो एक दिन PM office or PM house में PM को हम मिलकर बाहर करेंगे. This was the claim that was made by the Aam Aadmi Party leader. Now, anarchist statements being made by the Aam Aadmi Party. This was a protest that the Aam Aadmi Party had called over the bulldozer action by the Delhi government. But look at the language that has been used. The BJP has said that this shows the anarchist mindset of the Aam Aadmi Party. The statement was made by Gopal Rai, a minister in the Arvind Kejriwal government, and he made this statement in the presence of Kejriwal. Listen in.
तुम्हारा बुलडोजर है, जहां चाहो वहां चला दो, लेकिन एक बात याद रखना, जिस प्रधानमंत्री आवास में प्रधानमंत्री रहते हैं, अगर गरीबों की झुग्गियां उजड़ेगी, अगर गरीबों के घर से बाहर करोगे, तो एक दिन प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय में, प्रधानमंत्री आवास में प्रधानमंत्री को हम सब मिलकर के बाहर करेंगे. इसके आज हम जंतर मंतर से हाथ जोड़कर निवेदन करने आया हूं, पूरे दिल्ली की पुलिस लगा लेना, पूरे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं को लगा देना. अगर दिल्ली की झुग्गियों को तोड़ोगे, प्रधानमंत्री के घर में घुस करके हम कब्जा करेंगे. इसका इंतजार रखना. इससे बगैर हम भागने वाले नहीं हैं. दिल्ली हमारी है.
So this was the statement that was made by the Aam Aadmi Party leader. The Aam Aadmi Party had called for a protest, and the former minister Gopal Rai going on to say such statements, and it was in the presence of Arvind Kejriwal. My colleagues Isha, Shivam as well as Mohit are joining us on the broadcast. And Shivam, the statement that was made by the Aam Aadmi Party leader was made, in fact, he went on to say that we will go and capture the PM residence.
Well, definitely, Pratibha, and especially the kind of response that Gopal Rai got from the fellow ministers, fellow ex-ministers, former ministers, Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh, who were sitting there. They clapped as heartily as they can. Everybody was very happy seeing the entire statement made in. Gopal Rai, when he was in power, was normally considered as some of the leaders who was a very soft-spoken person, but today we have seen a very different personality of Gopal Rai, maybe because he is in the opposition now, and from the starting of his speech, you could feel the energy, you could feel the anger. However, when this particular statement was made, that you deploy as much police as you can, if we come on our own will, we will overthrow everything. So this again can lead to a lot of problems, especially to the Aam Aadmi Party member, Aam Aadmi Party leaders, and especially the kind of response that even he got from Kejriwal. Everybody was appreciating Gopal Rai for this particular statement. However, we have talked to some of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders of the record and, behind the cameras, and they were saying that this is just a symbolic, message sent by the Aam Aadmi Party, that if the BJP would try to snatch the homes of the poor, in this case, the shelter homes of the poor, of the people who are living in the slum dwellings, then these poor people can come on the road and will protest. However, the choice of words is what matters the most when it comes to politics, especially in the national capital, especially with the Aam Aadmi Party, who has been into all sorts of legal trouble. If certain level of language is made that you can deploy as much police as you want, you can deploy as much security as you want, we will enter your homes and encroach. It's an irony that the party who is basically protesting against the encroachment drive is claiming to encroach the homes of the people while protesting against it. They are saying that they are protesting in a non-violent movement. Arvind Kejriwal, during the entire in a speech, also said that he is protesting in a very non-violent way. But the choice of word, the language, the body language, you see, of Gopal Rai.
This an admission by the Aam Aadmi Party that it does not believe in law and order. The anarchist statement by the former minister in the Delhi cabinet. Let's listen in to what Gopal Rai has said.
तुम्हारा बुलडोजर है, जहां चाहो वहां चला दो, लेकिन एक बात याद रखना, जिस प्रधानमंत्री आवास में प्रधानमंत्री रहते हैं, अगर गरीबों की झुग्गियां उजड़ेगी, अगर गरीबों के घर से बाहर करोगे, तो एक दिन प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय में, प्रधानमंत्री आवास में प्रधानमंत्री को हम सब मिलकर के बाहर करेंगे। इसके लिए तैयार रहो। आज हम जंतर मंतर से हाथ जोड़कर निवेदन करने आया हूं, पूरे दिल्ली की पुलिस लगा लेना, पूरे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं को लगा देना। अगर दिल्ली की झुग्गियों को तोड़ोगे, प्रधानमंत्री के घर में घुस करके हम कब्जा करेंगे, इसका इंतजार रखना। इससे बगैर हम भागने वाले नहीं हैं। दिल्ली हमारी है।
Capturing the PM residence, that's the threat that the Aam Aadmi Party leader is giving out. Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP joins us on the broadcast. Pradeep, the Aam Aadmi Party leader was making these statements during a protest. How would the BJP respond?
Well, this is exactly the anarchist mindset of Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party, because of which the people of Delhi defeated them and they were removed from the governance in Delhi. This also exposes the mindset of the AAP, which is anarchist and against the Indian state. This is what Rahul Gandhi used to say. He wants to fight the Indian state. Now Arvind Kejriwal and Gopal Rai are saying they want to occupy the Prime Minister's office. This intent is not democratic, it is sinister, and this reflects the anti-democratic mindset of the Aam Aadmi Party, and they do not believe in law and order. I believe appropriate legal action will be taken against such a statement.
Okay, all right, Pradeep, thank you for joining us. Mohit is also live with us. And Mohit, the Aam Aadmi Party leader going on to say that the PM house will be captured or kabza would be done to the PM house. The BJP says that this is the clear anarchist model of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, in fact, Pratibha, BJP is attacking Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, Gopal Rai, and basically saying that this is the anarchist mindset of the Aam Aadmi Party that is out in the open. And remember, Aam Aadmi Party's top leadership and their leaders, workers were protesting at Jantar Mantar against the demolition drive in Delhi. And while speaking from the stage, Gopal Rai basically stated that if the demolition drive will continue, if the poor people will be ousted from their home, then the people with Aam Aadmi Party leaders will occupy the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So this is the statement that is being lashed on by the BJP, and BJP says that this is an anarchist statement and it goes against the constitution, it goes against the Indian state. And if you want to occupy Prime Minister residence, what kind of message you are giving to people on the ground? You are trying to incite violence against the Prime Minister. That is the charge coming in by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, Pradeep Bhandari, while he was speaking to you, stated that legal action would also be taken, but we see that how host of BJP reactions are coming in, and shortly we'll hear from the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva the official party's reaction on this. But yes, the BJP clearly say that this is the anarchy mindset that Arvind Kejriwal, after he has lost Delhi, he is trying, and he and his party are trying to threaten the Prime Minister, threaten the Delhi police, and in a way they are trying to incite people on the ground against the Prime Minister by saying that we will occupy the house of the Prime Minister. So we see massive...
That's the charge, that this is incitement to violence against the Prime Minister. What kind of anarchy is the Aam Aadmi Party talking about? Mohit, just a moment. Isha is also on the broadcast with us. Isha, kabza is the word that has been used by the Aam Aadmi Party. Has there been any response to the charge level by the BJP?
Pratibha, poor selection of words when it comes to Gopal Rai's statement. It may have been an emotional charge, it may have been something, but definitely this is being taken extremely seriously by the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, Mohit was also pointing out that legal action may come forward. In fact, shortly from now as well, the BJP will be reacting on this and taking this up as well. But again, if we look at the statement that was made, Gopal Rai has spoken about how if the demolition drive doesn't stop, they will try and hoist and they will attempt to reach the PM residence, and kabza was the word which was used, which is not legal, which is not democratic. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party is a party which has been voted out of power. It's not like they were removed. It's not like there was something unfair that happened with them. They were democratically removed from power, and for them to make such a statement, sharp reactions are expected to come. And also, this move may look like a bit of an attention-seeking statement, because the Aam Aadmi Party is definitely losing relevance, because
while the BJP has called it a comment, a reflection of the Aam Aadmi Party's anarchist mindset, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are defending it. After this comment was made, the Aam Aadmi Party continues to defend it, saying, what's wrong? This is a democratic statement. That's the statement that has come in from the Aam Aadmi Party. The first reaction from the party after the BJP's charge that Gopal Rai's statement is an anarchist statement. The Aam Aadmi Party defending him, saying there's nothing wrong. It's a democratic statement being made. The question is, for the Aam Aadmi Party, is it democratic to capture or occupy the Prime Minister's residence? Gopal Rai going on to say, we will do kabza of the PM house. And the Aam Aadmi Party has come out in support of the statement, saying there's nothing wrong. This is a democratic way to say it. A lot more to talk about. The BJP's charge is going to continue, and the issue is likely to snowball. We're keeping a track of that. Thanking Mohit as well as my other colleagues for joining us on the broadcast. Quick break. We'll be right back.